Hello guys, this is Nima. In this course, I will gonna teach you all about motion profile, industrial motion profile. I will teach you about trapezoidal motion profile, S-curve, with jerk, snap, sinusoidal motion profile, everything you need to know about the motion profile. If you don't know what is a motion profile, motion profile is the brain of the system for many servo drivers and many robotic applications. Every time you move something in a machine, you need a motion profile. This has a lot of application in automation and robotics, and I will tell you A to Z. So if you are interested in robotic and automation, you should definitely see this course. And the reason that I'm doing this course is that because I'm very fed up with academic system, and I believe that the academic system has gone wrong, and the syllabus that they teach to the students, it is wrong. This one I'm gonna show you the practical side of the robotic things and the things that you just need to know. Okay, you don't need to, a lot of things that they teach you on the literature, it is unnecessary. What you need to know are very simple. Okay, it's not as complicated as textbooks and so on and so forth. A little bit about me: I am doing robotic since I was 19, so now I'm 34 years old now, so it means that I'm doing it for 15 years. So 5 years of it was academic. It means that I was doing it in university. Back in the days that I was in university, I was joining almost 7 competitions, 3 times Robocon, 3 times Freescale Cup, 1 time Innovation Malaysia, and Innovation Malaysia I become a champion. After that, I graduated. I joined semiconductor manufacturing, and I was doing automation there for almost 9 years. So I'm doing this almost for 15 years. Okay, so I'm very experienced. When I was doing this thing in automation, I have been in both sides. It means that I was the motion designer. I was the guy who was designing the servo motors, servo drivers, motion controllers, and those kind of things. And on the other side also, I was the integrator. Integrator, what it is a person that who put the components together and make the entire machine. So connect the electrical system. For example, he connect the servo motors to I/O connections and PLC and those kind of things. So I have been in both sides. I did a lot of customization in my industrial career. So I see both sides. It means that I have both low level and high level. I did even HMI. I did many years also HMI. So I know everything about the industrial automation. So this course would be free. All my courses from here onward that I will put in any of the platforms would be free. Even if you want, you guys can see this one for free in the YouTube if you don't like the platform that you are watching this one now. So the motivation for doing this course is not for earn money. The motivation for this course is that I'm a big open source believer, and my attitude toward life is that I don't want to bring my knowledge to my grave, especially the hard-earned knowledge. Okay, so all the things that I'm teaching you now, I really suffer to learn these things. So especially when you are in industry, nobody teach you these things. For example, something like semicon, everything is behind closed doors. To be honest with you, it is very hard to gain knowledge. It's supposed to be all through hard work. But I'm sure this kind of content doesn't have a lot of audience. So I'm not expecting to this one get a lot of view or those kind of things. But I don't want another person like me just starting, get automation, don't know what's going on, go through the suffering that I went through. Okay, and this is the reason why I want to share. It doesn't matter that 1,000 people watch this or even 1%. Okay, even if 1% watch this and learn from it, that I achieved the goal that I wanted. Okay, so everything would be free. I highly encourage you to watch this course if, for example, you want to do automation or robotics. And this one, it would be the first course. I will do more courses. So this one, it would be on motion profile. I will go and I'm gonna do tuning. If I can find a sponsor, that this one is all theory. Okay, so at the moment I don't have, because I'm a freelancer, I don't have any servo motor and servo driver in my hand. But if I can find a sponsor who sponsor me servo drives and those kind of things, I will teach you the practical side. It means that tuning the thing, see everything in action, how the things they are moving together, and so on and so forth. So if you guys want to promote, for example, servo drives, those kind of things, I can help you to teach other people to how to use your servo drives and so on and so forth, or your PLC and so on and so forth. So without further ado, let's get into the course, and thank you for watching.